Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you have Bluetooth issues on your PC and it's not working. Go ahead and try these steps that I'm about to share with you to try fix the problem. So the first thing we want to do is to right click on the Windows icon on our taskbar and go to settings. Within this section here on your PC, you want to click on Bluetooth and devices and you want to click on Bluetooth. If you're not able to see Bluetooth, that's fine. I will show you another thing that you can check on your PC to ensure that you will test if Bluetooth is working. And from here, but if it's showing, you can go ahead and try to add device or remove the device to see. So if you have some devices right here, you can simply go ahead and basically click the drop down from those devices and remove them and try to pair them over again. Right? Alternatively, what you want to do, if you're not able to see Bluetooth right here, and you're not able to repair those devices, you want to go ahead and try the next step. So right click again on the Windows icon and you want to go to device manager. Just quickly check to see if you have any issues with Bluetooth right here. And in order to find those Bluetooth devices, you will be able to see Bluetooth in the list. Click the drop down, find your Bluetooth devices. As you can see right here, it says the wireless Bluetooth. From here, Intel, you can simply right click and update the driver from here. Click on update, search manually, or you can choose to browse your PC. Let's say choose manually. It's going to try to install the latest version of the driver. And if it does, then go ahead and try again. If this doesn't work, you can try as well to, let's say, uninstall it from the device. After uninstall it, you can go ahead and do a scan for hardware changes. If not, just simply click on action. And from here as well, you will be able to scan for the hardware changes to see. Otherwise, you can quickly restart your PC and see if that fixes the issue by scanning for the hardware and reinstall it. Normally, when you restart your PC, it should do a check and it should install that for you. But in case you're still having some issues here, I recommend you checking the services for this. So click the Windows key on your keyboard and simply type in services and you will be opening the services from your PC. And within this list contains Bluetooth drivers as well. So and within this section, it contains Bluetooth services. So go ahead and click on anything and then simply click on B on your keyboard and it's going to take you down to the section for B. And as you can see, there's a whole lot of A services. So by simply scrolling down a bit, you'll be able to find. Now here you can see right now I have 3 Bluetooth service right here and they're all running, but check to see if any of these services are not running, and by simply clicking on them or right click on them and you can try to start them or restart them. You can also double click on a service and not to have it manually, but you can have it set to automatic set that so that it starts. Once you select that, click on apply, then click on OK. You want to go ahead and do it for all 3 Bluetooth services, ensure that they're all running. Now, once you do all of this, guys, try to restart your computer and see if that solves the issue. And again, try to pair the devices. In worst case, what you can also do is just open up any browser you have and type in the name of your PC and type in Bluetooth driver download. You'll be able to find this driver on the official website of your PC, right? You should be able to get Bluetooth driver there. And of course, it's important to check if your computer supports Bluetooth as well and you're not affected by any hardware issue. With that said, guys, I really hope one of these solutions helped to fix a problem for you, and if it does, I'm happy. And if not, go ahead and let me know in the comments below and I will try to help you to find some more solutions that can help you to fix the problem. With that said, thank you guys for watching, best of luck, and looking forward to see you in the next video.